Hello DIY Glamettes. Welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY. And if you're new here, welcome. Now today's video will be 3 glamorous DIYs using glitter and diamond rhinestone. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get this project started. I had my bag here, you guys, that I cut, and I just want you to follow me along as we create these DIYs. Now to you guys, these DIYs, I have items that is actually sponsored through Total Dazzle, bbcraft.com and beadpark.com. I'm dropping all of those links down in my description box. Please make sure you check out those links. It costs you nothing extra to purchase from these links. You'll receive a discount and I receive a small commission from you ordering. So always check out those links. Now let's finish these simple and easy glitter glam DIY projects. And you guys, it is a total of 3 different styles, but it is a total of 11 different DIYs. Drop me a comment if you're liking the gold that I'm featuring here lately. I am doing quite a bit of gold DIYs. Be on the lookout. I have an upcoming wedding around August, and you're gonna see a lot of wedding stuff beginning to hit the channel as well. So, but just drop me a comment if you're liking this gold.
Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts they burn inside my chest, can take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come.
And if you're watching and you haven't become a part of the Glam Queen family, please make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Now here on Glam Queen of DIY, our name says it all. The Queen always bring you glam high-end DIYs. I like to feature mirror mosaic tile, diamond rhinestone. I use glitter, anything that can elevate a piece to make it high end. You will see it here. I also do a little bit of budget and home renovations on the budget. Make sure you do check that out as well. So if you're not a part of the family, go ahead and become one.
There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all. 'Cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump and fall. No matter how much pain I'm in, I won't back down. Gotta think, can't give in. Changes will come, 'cause the light's just around that corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts stay burned inside my chest. Can take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes do come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all. 'Cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump and fall. No matter how much pain I'm in, I won't back down. Gotta think, can't give in. Changes will come, 'cause the light's just around that corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner.
And in this, you guys, like I say, we have 11 different DIYs in total with 3 different stylings. Drop me a comment if you're liking these type of videos. I am going to be bringing a glitter series back on a few items. So just let me know if you think that is something you would love to see. And we're bringing these glitter glam DIYs to a close. This is that candle holder, and you guys, they are all truly gorgeous. Drop me a comment which one is your favorite. 2, don't forget to make sure, if you're not a family member of any of the Glam Queen branded channels, make sure you check out Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, Glam Queen Vlogs, and Fit for a Queen. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.
Say